Now I would like to share with you how to solve the problems related to quadratic equation. It's basically is being introduced here just to tell you that what is the role of iota. In fact, what you did in 10th, that is Tridharacharya method, direct formula, completing the square, all that kind of problems are here. Only the thing to put the problems of quadratic equation here in this topic is that how to remove the negative of the square root. Here if I compare this given quadratic equation which we need to solve for x, 2x square plus 1x plus 1 is equals to 0. If I compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, under the condition a is not equal to 0, then what is the answer of A? 2. Answer of B? 1. Answer of C is 1. So discriminant become b square minus 4ac, which become 1 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 1, that d become minus of 7. Discriminant is minus 7, so we can say root of d is equals to root of minus 7. Root of minus 7 can also be written as 7 into minus 1's root, which is what? Root of negative is iota, root of minus 1 is iota. So I can write it as root of 7 into root of minus 1. That is, the value of root of discriminant become root of 7 iota. Root d is what? Root of 7 iota. So root d is what? Root of 7 iota. Now to find the values of x, the formula is minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. The value of b is minus 1, so this become minus 1, plus minus root d, that is root of 7 iota, upon 2a, that is 2 2 ja 4, because the answer of a is 2. So in this case the answer of x is minus 1 plus root 7 iota upon 4. Second will be minus 1 minus root 7 iota upon 4. That is, one answer is the conjugate of the other, because both the answers in the form of complex numbers. Now one more problem related to quadratic equation, that is solve for x, root 5x square plus 1x plus root 5 is equals to 0. If we compare it with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we find a is root 5, b is 1 and c is root 5. The discriminant of this problem, b square minus 4ac, that result is 1 minus 20, that is what? Minus of 19. So root of d become root of minus 19, which is root of 19 iota, because to remove this negative we need to put iota. Answer of x will be minus b plus minus root d upon 2a, which gives us minus b means minus 1, plus minus root d means root of 19 iota, upon 2a means what? 2 root 5. So these are the two values of x. So we can even solve any problem by any of the approach, whether by direct formula or by completing a square or by the factorization, but we should take care that maximum problems in the 11th comes in the iota's form. Their solution are in the form of the complex numbers.